Hey guys, it's me again, and today I'm going to be showing you how to add a white border or outline to your image on Canva. The steps are really easy, so make sure to watch till the end of the video. So you can use whatever image you want right here, but for now, for this tutorial, we're just going to use a sample image of a woman, a 3D girl right here. So the first thing that you need to do is you actually need to use a Canva Pro tool, which is the background remover, and we're just gonna click that, and now the background's removed, and then we can just adjust the size right here. You can do it, make it smaller or bigger, whatever satisfies you. So we're just gonna minimize it a little bit, and now we're gonna add a background color so that we can actually see the outline that we're gonna do later on. So just gonna choose this lavender color. Now you can actually edit some parts of the photo even if the background's removed. Sometimes there's still a bit of like small edges that you need to edit. So to add the outline, you just need to go to shadows right here under effects. So click on shadows, and then it gives you three options, and just need to click glow so you can add the outline. So just click it right there, then you can adjust the size, the blur, the angle, the distance, and the intensity. So for this one, we're just gonna put the blur to 0, and just put the angle to 100, and also the intensity to 100. So there you go. You can see the outline, and you just need to change the color to white. And oops, I'm sorry. Let me go back. Okay, so there you go. That's how easy it is, guys, to add a white border. And again, you can adjust it freely. So make sure to like and subscribe if this tutorial helped you. See you guys in the next video, and take care.